Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I've got a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to go well with acorn squash. So if you have a squash and you want something different, you want some ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We know almonds go well with acorn squash, and bacon, beans of all sorts, and baked beans as well. Chicken, eggs, hazelnuts, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, sausage, and walnuts. In the way of vegetables, there's bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, celery, chard like Swiss chard, fennel, garlic, kale, leeks, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, scallions, spinach, sweet potatoes, and turnips. In the way of fruits, there's apples, apricots, especially dried apricots, coconut, cranberries, especially dried cranberries, currants, lemons, orange, pears, plums, and dried plums like prunes, and raisins. In the way of grains and grain products, there's breadcrumbs of any type, bulgur, which we know is wheat, corn, quinoa, rice, especially wild rice, and wheat. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter, browned butter, cheese, milk, and also coconut milk and other non-dairy milks, ghee, Parmesan cheese, and yogurt. In the way of other foods, there's honey, liqueurs, maple syrup, olive oil, soy sauce, sugar, especially brown sugar, and sweetener of your choice, tamari, vanilla, and vinegar. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.